lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy, and on this channel we do everything and anything related to hair. We do protective hairstyles for kids and adults, we do wig making videos and natural DIYs and just about everything surrounding hair. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, please consider to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell button so that you can always be notified whenever we post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show how I was able to make this very beautiful Afro Kinky wig. So if you're interested, let's just slide into the video. Yeah.
Reach out and love and don't be a stranger.
To start, we first secure the wig cap on the mannequin head with T-pins, and then we just start crocheting. It's as simple as that.
Don't be a stranger. Turn up the stereo, the sound is taking.
In case if you don't know how to crochet, it's quite simple. All you have to do is pass the crochet hook through the net, place the hair on the latch, close the latch, pull the hair through, grab the other side of the hair, loop it through, and secure onto the net. So that's what you keep doing. Just pass the hook through the net, place the hair onto the latch, close the latch, pull the hair through, grab the other side, secure onto the net. So that's basically it. We keep doing that until we get to the front section.
To sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love, don't be a stranger. Tasting tunes and everything you ooze, the tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll, no rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all?
For the front section where we want our part to be, we're going to throw down a Swiss lace. I'm using a transparent Swiss lace I got online from AliExpress. You can choose a transparent one, or you can choose the one that will match your scalp color. They have different colors available. Now I'm sewing the net down. After sewing the net down, I'm going to flip the hair over and cut off the part of the wig part that is underneath the net, and then place the wig back onto the mannequin head.
Don't be a stranger. Turn up the stereo, the sound is taking hold. You dance like no one sees, a private galaxy. The music of your soul, a symphony composed. Your words are wasted on me. Can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back
sewing the net onto the wig cap, I like to crochet directly on top of the thread that I used to sew down the net in order to cover the thread and also in order to further secure the net onto the wig cap. So I just crochet along that line that I just sewed down before I continue crocheting directly on the net.
Your loneliness will never be lost on me. So reach out and love and don't be a stranger. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Right now I'm marking where I want my part to be just for guidance, and then I continue crocheting along that line, leaving a little space where the part will be. So we'll keep doing the same thing right here. Since I'm crocheting directly on the net right now, I'm using a smaller crochet hook. I'm also using smaller pieces of hair.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
And that's it. Right now our Afro Kinky Wig is ready. I'm going in now to cut off excess hair and just dust off any flyaway hairs, and there we have our hair. So cute. Like after making this wig, I was so feeling myself. I was so happy.
shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
have it, guys. Afro Kinky Wig, very natural looking, like I was feeling myself. Wow. That's it, guys, for this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave comments in the comment section. I love you all. Bye bye. See you in my next video.